Top facts about animals that will surprise you. The animal kingdom is far stranger, smarter, and more mysterious than most people ever realize. Today, we're exploring 5 unbelievable facts about animals that will challenge what you think you know about the natural world. Let's begin. Fact 1. Octopuses can think with their arms. Most animals rely on one brain to control their entire body, but the octopus? It plays by its own rules. An octopus has 9 brains, 1 central brain, and 8 smaller ones in each arm. Those arms can taste, sense, and even make decisions all on their own. An octopus can solve puzzles, escape sealed containers, and memorize patterns. In labs, scientists have watched octopuses unscrew jar lids from the inside, sneak across rooms at night, and even recognize individual humans. These creatures aren't just smart, they're something else entirely. A mind divided into 9 pieces, all working together in perfect harmony. Fact 2. There's a jellyfish that can live forever. Deep in the ocean lives a tiny creature called Turritopsis dohrnii, more commonly known as the immortal jellyfish. When most animals grow old or get injured, their cells break down. But the immortal jellyfish does something no other creature can. It reverts its cells back to their earliest form and starts its life cycle over again. It's as if a human suddenly turned back into a baby, then grew up again, endlessly repeating the process. This jellyfish could theoretically live forever, not by avoiding death, but by resetting its own biological clock. Nature's closest thing to immortality exists quietly in the deep, hidden from the world above. Fact 3. Elephants grieve like humans. We know elephants are large, powerful, and intelligent, but their emotional lives are even more remarkable. When a member of their herd dies, elephants will stand around the body in silence. They touch the bones gently with their trunks. They stay by the body for hours, and sometimes return days later. Some mourn so deeply they refuse to eat. Others try to lift the fallen elephant, as if refusing to accept the loss. Scientists have witnessed elephants recognizing the bones of relatives who died years earlier. These animals don't just remember, they feel, in a way that mirrors the grief humans experience. Fact 4. A shrimp that punches faster than a bullet. The mantis shrimp looks small and harmless, but don't let its size fool you. This creature throws one of the fastest punches in the entire animal kingdom. Its strike accelerates faster than a .22 caliber bullet and hits with enough force to shatter aquarium glass. When it punches, the water around its claw gets so hot it briefly forms plasma, the same state of matter found in stars. It's not just a punch, it's an explosion disguised as one. If the mantis shrimp were the size of a human, a single hit could break bones with ease. Small, colorful, and unbelievably powerful, it's one of nature's most surprising superweapons. Fact 5. Crows can understand human faces and hold grudges for years. Crows are smarter than most people give them credit for. They can use tools, solve problems, and even communicate complex ideas. But what's truly astonishing is their memory. Crows can recognize human faces. If someone treats them well, they'll remember. If someone threatens them, they'll remember that too, sometimes for years. Researchers wearing masks once captured a group of crows for a study. The birds were released unharmed, but they didn't forget what happened. For the next decade, whenever anyone wearing that same mask appeared, the crows sounded the alarm and warned others. These birds passed their knowledge down to future generations. In other words, if you upset a crow, its children and grandchildren might dislike you too. The animal kingdom never forgets. Conclusion. Animals are far more complex and surprising than we often realize. A creature with 9 brains, a jellyfish that can live forever, elephants that share our grief, a shrimp with the punch of a weapon, and birds whose memory spans generations. These 5 facts are only a small glimpse into a world filled with intelligence, mystery, and wonders we are still discovering. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on exciting real stories from Top Facts Story.